If you're tired of the same old diet tips, then you need to hear this. Discover 10 surprising foods that can help you lose weight fast. Eating on a calorie deficit can be tough, but choosing the right foods makes it easier. Here are 10 foods that are low in calories but keep you full and satisfied. First, leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're nutrient-packed and keep you feeling full. Lean proteins like chicken breast and tofu. They boost metabolism and crush cravings. Berries like strawberries are delicious and full of antioxidants. Greek yogurt is high in protein and great for your gut. Quinoa is a protein-rich whole grain that keeps you satisfied. Avocados, despite their calories, are full of healthy fats that stop you from overeating. Nuts and seeds like almonds are nutrient-dense, perfect snacks. Eggs, versatile and nutrient-rich, support weight loss. Legumes like beans and lentils are high in fiber and protein. Sweet potatoes are your healthy, satisfying carb option. Lastly, the surprise dark chocolate. In moderation, it satisfies your sweet tooth and can aid weight management. Incorporate these foods into your diet and watch your weight loss journey transform. Share your experiences in the comments, like and subscribe for more tips. Let's crush those weight loss goals together.